Well, welcome. Today I want to talk to you about, we're here at InfoComm 2013, and I want to talk to you about an exciting new product we have. It's called the Connect-It Box. But the Connect-It Box is a smart cable cubby piece that we've come out with. Now with this, what you'll notice right off the top is not only do you have LED colors here, you also have an AC plug flush mounted on the table. This is going to be the first one that will be UL listed for our industry. No one else has something like this. Now with this, it comes in black, also comes in white. What you'll notice about it is also a very quick install. Okay, 4-inch hole saw and you're done. Drop it in, bring your collar nut up around the top, 4 set screws lock it right in, so a nice quick easy install. It should not take you more than 20 minutes to do something as simple as that. When you're using it, in this case we're using it with our DM transmitters. We have our cable management system coming up through the bottom. So we have our Ethernet, we have our HDMI, our VGA and audio. And what we also have is our 2 buttons here. So now it's a Crestron connected device going back to our processor. So now what we can do is when a presenter comes in, you can have a button, say, be red. When they press it to turn the system on, you flash green and off. And when the system's up and running, it's now green. I take my device, plug it in, it's blue. I send it to my display, it turns green. Very simple, very easy to use. Because it's Crestron, you can have up to 252 of them daisy chained along. So in the case where you have that big, long boardroom table, you can have your users plug in and their sources show up as blue. Well, when someone wants to send their device, they press green, they press the button, turns green, their display goes up on the display. You can very easily use it as a show and tell as to whose display is being shown. Quick, nice and easy to use. There's another good use for it too. Okay, that's when you're using it with a control processor. But say you have a very low-cost solution room with just using your DM transmitter and room box. We've been putting them in for many years now. But the problem is you can't turn the display on and off. You have to manually or get a remote or reach behind the back and turn it on. Well, with this box, what you can do is on the bottom of it, not only is it a Crestron connector, there's a USB connector. So what does that mean? Well, take the transmitter, take the USB out, plug it into the bottom of the USB of the connector. Okay, now you've got power and we're giving you a little bit of control. So this way, with something where you didn't have control over the display, well, now you can press the button, turn the display on, press it again, turn the display off. So we're using CEC out of the room box to turn the display on and off. Well, maybe CEC doesn't work for you to turn it on and off. Well, we'll allow you to add in a driver into the room box to turn the display on and off for you. So that way you give them a little bit of control without adding cost to the overall product of the room. Okay, make sense? Good. It's available in white. It should be coming available to the market in September, and the list price on it is $300. Our Air Media device allows you to plug onto the corporate network and take your presentations from your mobile devices and put them up onto a display. So let's see how we do that. First, you got a small box, HDMI output that connects right to your display. So you can hang this right behind your display, run a hardwired LAN jack to it. It's on the corporate network. Connect to it because my iPad or wireless laptop or even a hardwired laptop is on the corporate network. Launch the app and you're presenting. So let's see how we do that. If you have a wireless laptop or hardwired, you can open up a web browser, type in your IP address, download a small plugin, and away you go with your presentation, you're done. Don't need to have admin rights or be able to have to install anything on it. When you're done with the presentation, close it up, files go away, nice, quick and clean, very easy for your IT team, nothing to take and manage. Now, if you have an iPad or other Android device, you can run it as an app. So again, available on the market as well as Apple when the product's available in September. Free download, no licensing fee, go get it. When I open it up, it's going to scan my subnet for other Air Media devices. This Air Media device is not available for me, but because I'm on the corporate network, I can manually enter it in, put my IP address of my device, select go, put in my unique access code of 4772. I then hit login, and I'm connected. So these are my presentations that I want to show you. So what I can do is I can select my presentation. My PowerPoint will open. And there's my presentation. So now I'm going to go through. I need to show what I need to do, take care of what I need to take care of. I can have up to 32 people connected at any one time, or 32 devices rather. Or I can show up to 4 of you in quad view at any one time. For scalability, again, each unit takes an IP address, so it can be anywhere on your corporate network. It's an HDMI out, so whether you want to go into just a local display or into a bigger DM switcher and distribute around the whole campus, the choice is yours on how you want to do it.